purpose is about how you fit in, how you use your success to fit in and to impact the world. And so I tell you, when we got started, I believe that our purpose, first of all, is to inspire people from all over the world, to say to them, hey, it's okay to dream, man, and dream big and believe big. But I promise you that when we started out, that wasn't what we were thinking. I promise you that when I was standing on that lamppost, I was not thinking about how I was going to change the world. I was thinking about how I was going to change my world. But I think that all of us, as we create our vision and as we set out and we start to achieve and taste success, you do get to that point where you start to think a little bit more introspectively. You start to dive a little bit deeper into who you really are and what you truly want and the impact that you can actually make as you go along your life's journey. And so purpose now becomes not just succeeding, but what you do with that success. Are you looking around and seeing the needs of others? Are you feeling empathy for the challenge others are feeling? And then examining how you can use your skill set, your knowledge, your talent, whatever it is that you have, to address those needs and find solutions to some of those challenges. It comes down to identifying and connecting with your purpose. That's the thing that lasts. It's the most enduring and important thing you could ever do. Because as human beings, we by nature seek purpose. That's just kind of in our DNA. We want, one of the things that make us happier is knowing that we're contributing to something beyond ourselves.